Hello guys, in this video I will try just to speak about trading in general. And some of my subscribers asked me, what do you think about gold, what do you think about silver, what do you think about commodities and other stuff. Okay, here is the rule. If you know something, anything, and you can make money, that's it. Either you buy cars and you sell cars, you trade in them, you flip houses, you buy gold and silver and you sell them, stocks, or you have a shop, you buy merchandise is cheap and you sell it for more expensive and then you get a margin of profit. It means do what you know. Something that you don't know, you should learn. That's it. For example, you want to do a business, a car dealer business, for example. You don't know. They say buy cheap and sell expensive. It's very easy to say it. But in real life, this is called the know-how. Okay? The know-how is like when you make a difference between science and technology. Science is the theory, okay? Anything that it is theory that you can study. You can have someone who knows everything about the car, but he cannot make a car. Why? Because a car needs technology, machines, and a lot of people knowledge in order to make this car. So it is technology. That's why hundreds of countries in the world right now, they don't know how to make a car, although they use these cars, but they don't know how to do it. Why? Because the countries that have technology, they don't want to give their technology. Even for money they don't want to give, because you create competition. Because a country that doesn't, let's say a country that has 50 million people, okay? 50 million. Most of the third world countries, they don't make cars. Most of them, not all. Okay, some they begin and they begin to succeed. Okay? So the big companies in the world, car producers, they want that all these countries, they don't know nothing about cars. Okay? They want to sell them, the cars. They don't want other competition. If every country they have companies that make cars, a lot of companies will go bankrupt. Here in America or in Japan or in France or in England or wherever. Okay? Or in Germany, Italy. So, what is my point here from this video? Is that if you know something and you are making money from it, that's it. Continue, try to ameliorate, and just raise more money and do good business. Now, one of them asked me about silver and gold. I always comment on those people. Right now, you find them online a lot, and I don't say that some people are losers. Some they understand the real thing. Some they don't understand. Even I explain to them some basic things in trading, because trading is just simple. You buy cheap, you sell expensive. But in the stock market we have something else. You can sell expensive and you cover back and you get profit. This you cannot do in other business. Okay, that's is an advantage of stock market that you don't find. Okay, so silver and gold, they talk too much. When you go online, you go to TV, you find channels devoted for silver and gold. Buy gold, buy gold. Gold has gone high. It's 1200 an ounce. Silver is 20. Okay, but just 1 year or 2 years, how much was the gold? It was 1800. Now it's 1200. Are you losing money or are you making money? You are losing money. Okay. Now, if you go to the stock market, you can short the gold, ETFs or stocks or companies. You can short them and you can make money. But I'm speaking about those who buys bullion like gold, like they want to stock the gold in the bank or into their houses. Okay. Just 1 year or two, it was 1800. Now it's 1200. You are losing 30% to 40% of your money. So is this? And they say, oh, gold is expensive. Gold stays and the money, paper will disappear. Where have you seen this? Currencies are currency. Either it's paper or is before they use gold and silver because they don't know how to make paper money. But right now, everywhere in the country, they use paper. Okay? And it's the gold that you have or silver always has a value of paper. Okay. Silver was $40 an ounce just 1 year or 2 years ago. How much is it now? 20 or 19 or 21. Okay? How much you lose? You lose half of your money. If you bought $10,000 silver, like you stock silver, and then now you want to sell it, you need the money. You lose 50% of your wealth. Suppose that you have $100,000 of silver, and then 2 years ago it was 40, but now it was 20. You lose half of your money. And you know, when you have something physical, it's not easy to sell. Believe me. People they try to think about fundamentals a lot. Oh, I comment on someone video and he begin to tell me, China needs silver, Europe needs silver, companies need silver. I say, man, you don't see the price. What is? How are you calculating? Anyone in kindergarten, someone who is in elementary school, you say, if I give you $40 and tomorrow I take 20 from you, are you having a profit or are you having a loss? Anyone in just elementary school, first year or first grade, okay, he will tell you that he will lose $20 because you give him 40 and then you take 20 from him, so he lose 20. This is elementary school. I don't know. Maybe if you go kindergarten, the guys will do the same. And these guys still believe in fundamentals. Fundamentals, it means, oh, the industry needs silver. Why silver doesn't go to 1,000? Since they need it, and since it is rare, and all the companies in the world need it, and. Okay? Silver, it is only a means of wealth like anything else. If it dropped in value, it dropped in value and you lose money. So those people who don't know what they are doing, wake up. Wake up and see the real world. The real world is demand and supply. Gold was 1800. Now it's 1200. Are you losing money if you have a lot of gold? It means, are you losing money or are you making money? If you say, no, I am making money because in the future it will go up, who tells you? Silver was, it reaches 45 cents in the 60s. Okay? I asked someone, in the 60s it was 65 cents. And just in 1999 it was just $5. So the price can go from 20 to 5 or to 1 cent or to wherever. You say, no. Silver can never be $1. I say it was before. So what? It's just demand and supply. You don't know what the market will do, and stop thinking that you know the future. No one knows the future. So if no one knows the future, so everything is possible. Everything in this life is possible. Don't say no, it's impossible. Okay? Gold is 1800. It can go to $10. It can, because it's supply and demand. Okay? If the people are buying some stocks and they are getting too much money, okay, why do they go to gold? They stay all their life, 60 years, 70 years, and they don't make that much money. There are other vehicles, because in this life you stick what you know. If you don't know something and you want to get into, for example, for me, if I get interested to know silver and gold, okay, I should study it and see the history, see where you make money, where you lose money, okay. But I will never use fundamentals that gold is precious. I know that I know excuse me, I know gold is precious, but it was 1800, now it's 1200. I lose money. Precious or not doesn't matter for me, okay. It doesn't matter, okay. Just give me anything that goes up and I make money, whatever. So I don't like to fool me with gold and silver and some stuff, okay. Some people they have bad ideas in their mind, bad investment ideas, and they stick to them. They lose everything in their life and they still are stubborn. They don't wake up and they don't correct themselves. They don't correct their mistakes. This is the problem in your life. If you don't correct your mistakes, you will never be good at anything, okay. You do a mistake, you correct it, and then you become better and better, okay. This is just my idea about investment, about trading, especially trading. If you are making money in anything, in any business, even in a restaurant, even in transportation, in anything, and you are making money, it means you know how to make money. It means that you are professional. It's good. Continue, raise more money, make bigger and bigger and bigger, okay. Now, two things that I see that are losers, and they ask people to follow them. People who are buying gold and silver, and real estate investment. Those two losers, I have never seen stubborn losers like them. They can do nothing right now. What they do? They teach. Okay? I see a lot of people. I see one person. He has like a real estate, and he tell, okay, I'm doing a lot of transaction each week. I am making that much money, and he began to showing off his money. I ask him a question. I say from 2008 until now, most of the professionals, they lose their job in real estate because people, they don't have no jobs, because people they are not buying anymore, and all the industry of real estate lost business. Banks, they go bankrupt. Banks, you know, banks. It's a bank, and all the people, they get fired, laid off. It's a big crisis happening in America from 2012 until now in real estate investment. And some losers right now, they come to you. Oh, you buy real estate, you buy many houses without any money. Man, I don't see, and they show off. When you ask them a simple question, they can't answer. There are a lot of famous people, like Robert Kiyosaki. I did a video about him. You know, people, they can't make money anymore, so they go teach, and when they teach, they begin to give you nice titles. How you can rob a bank, okay? How can you do investment without money? How can you buy hundreds of properties without money? How can you manage that and that? It's like stupid things. These things, if you follow them, what they ask you money. They sell you something, a DVD or a strategy or a book, or they do seminars, and they rip the people off. They make them laugh. You go there, they make them laugh, they show how they are efficient and how they are, but in real life they have no business. Their business is to sell you a dream. Okay, especially in industries that have been hit with the crisis, like real estate, like gold and silver and precious metal. They get hit because all the people, they took their money from gold and silver and they go to stock market. Okay, before they go to gold, to bonds. When the stock market go down in 2008, people, they go to bonds and silver and precious metals. But things change always. Okay, so the main thing I'm saying here is, if you are making money, whatever it is, you are good. Okay, and if you are losing money, you can teach something when you are losing. Okay, it's hard, but some people, they fake it out. Like a lot of people I see online, and they say, I find an old guy, he's talking about stock market, but I get pity of him. He's like 75 or something, and he said, I have more money than Warren Buffett. I say, okay, man, stop. You make me mad. So I will just stop commenting on these people. Sometimes I get mad. I just comment on everyone. Okay, just when I see something illogical. Some people, they say something that I don't know. So thank you very much for watching. If you have any questions, just ask.